Hey guys, spring is upon us and summer will soon follow right after. The world outside is changing. The birds are chirping, the water is flowing, the grass is growing. It is beautiful outside. And of course, with the change of the seasons, that means more outdoor fun. Wait, what are you guys doing this spring and summer? Are you going to the beach? Are you going to have a barbecue? Are you going to take a road trip? Or, I don't know, something fun like that? Well, whatever you're doing, this box right here is something you will need for all that outdoor fun. So we're gonna unbox it and show you what it is. Now, before we get started, we just wanna let you know that whatever's in this box is from our good friends EcoFlow. We love EcoFlow. They have so many amazing products. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Yay! It's the brand new EcoFlow Glacier, and it is fantastic. Now, we're gonna focus on 3 things with this product. The refrigerator, which is awesome, the freezer, which is super cool, but both sides run independently on each other. But the coolest thing about this whole product is that it's battery powered. Awesome! Which is perfect for road trips or emergency situations. Now, do you want to check out this product? Me too. But you can't until April 25th when we release a full-length video. Thank you so much, EcoFlow. Make sure to check out April 25th and we'll see you then. Bye everyone!